The CleanScrape really hones in on the stubborn type of carryback that's either very abrasive, that's very tacky, that simply does not want to release from the belt, while also addressing longevity and durability of cleaners. The design of the CleanScrape, with its carbide edge, rubber carcass, steel skeleton, and carbide bottom backplate, allows that cartridge to be strung with a cable from one side to the other and apply minimal pressure to the belt and the pulley to provide effective cleaning. The CleanScrape, compared to a traditional cleaner, can actually outlast a blade 4 times to 1, simply due to the fact that it is actually a carbide leading edge versus a urethane blade. Without the need for monthly service and adjustment, the CleanScrape has actually freed up personnel to do work elsewhere. It's nearly immediate that these customers will begin to see the effects of installing the CleanScrape. Martin is the industry leader in innovation for the products that we produce. We have the experience, we have the background to be able to assist our customers in streamlining their process so that they are more profitable in the end.